Meaning of dress shirt.
Dress shirt.
Dress shirt.
Dress shirt.
Dress shirt. A dress shirt is a type of shirt that is typically worn with formal attire, such as a suit jacket and tie. It is designed to be more fitted and structured than a casual shirt, often featuring a stiff collar and buttons down the front. Dress shirts can be made from a variety of materials, including cotton and silk, and are available in a range of colors and patterns. They are a staple item in many professional wardrobes and are commonly worn for business meetings, job interviews, and formal events.